I'm gonna open blind bags. So they're my first blind bags that I ever opened. So there's this me world, like this tiny world, like on used to be on the commercial. And they tell you what's inside in the back, right here. And these are the other stuff you could collect. Next one is my first My Little Pony, which is a blind bag, the Flim and Flam Brothers, and the Wonder Balls. So let's open this one first, because I'm so excited to open this one. So let's do that one. I opened it already, though. So it comes with a little red cute tray, 2 cupcakes, some stickers, a t-shirt, and the cupcake mix to make it. So let's do the cherry on top for 1 cupcake. Anyway, the sprinkles one goes on the plate. I don't think you can see it very well on camera, but the sprinkles on there. With the cherry there is so tiny. Look, I got it. Let's put it on. It looks cute. And you can replace it because there's more from there. Now let's do cake. I need help. My mom will help me, so.
Yeah.
Okay, I see. Okay, let's see. Okay, I got it. And now. Yeah, so just roll it around. Wait, this is a mistake. Sorry. Okay. So, yeah, that's how it's. So, put it on this side, is it? Oh yeah, put it right over here, somewhere here, and then those circle stickers, all of the 3 circle stickers, go here. So it says sprinkle. Everything always says sprinkle. So let's take. Okay, they're stuck together. So the 3 stickers. That's how they look. So I could do this cupcake later, but it's supposed to be right here. And put it right here. And there's this t-shirt and yeah, and here's the extra sprinkles. So yeah, and then
3.0. Next time.
yeah, and next time we're going to do this one and this one, or maybe I'll do those later. So bye. This is Sophia. So bye.